Night. Standby na po yung dispatch. Race number 8, class division number 2. The favorite, Madam Leonora, and number 3, guided missile, gates open. They're up and racing. Valiente draws for your lead. Angel Skies running by the rail. Then comes Madam Leonora, together with Haley's Comet, guided missile, dancing slow, red bells, and trailing the group is Hakuna Matata. Heading towards the 3/4 mile pole, Valiente in command by about 6 lengths. Running in second is Angel Sky. Down in third, Madam Leonora. Running alongside Haley's Comet. Then comes Dancing Slow, followed in by the Lone Gray Galloper, guided missile. Second last, Hakuna Matata, and the Red Bells now bringing up the rear. Heading towards the last 800, Valiente, this time by about 3 lengths, shortening the gap to take second. On the outside is Madam Leonora. Angel Sky, Haley's Comet moving up to take third. On the outside, guided missile moving up by the rail as they swing towards the last 500. Now they are all after Madam Leonora. Dropping back in second is Valiente. Haley's Comet is on the outside third. Moving up now is guided missile as they turn to the last 450. Madam Leonora, this time by about 2 lengths. Moving up on the outside, Haley's Comet and guided missile, Valiente. Angel Sky with the last 200 meters more to run. Madam Leonora, this time by about 4 lengths, followed by guided missile, Haley's Comet. With the last 50 meters, it's all Madam Leonora. Second, guided missile, then comes Haley's Comet, Hakuna Matata, and Angel Sky for your Pentapecta.